May 2022, we rode a scooter to the Bohol Bee Farm, but we didn't see any bees.
Unfortunately for us, the farm was undergoing construction, so guided tours have temporarily been put on hold. The good news is, they did not charge us the usual 30 pesos entrance fee, and we were free to explore on our own.
This is a dive spot. This is near San Isidro Beach. St. Isidro Farm. Wow. Nice. Very beautiful. Oh, it's so cool here. Literally. And figuratively. This is kind of on the side of the cliffs. So I guess it's kind of like, yeah, look at that.
Nestled on a cliff on the southeast side of Panglao Island, the farm is an ideal place for visitors to relax, have lunch, and learn while touring the facilities. This area right here is also a popular snorkeling and diving spot. If you toss some crushed skyflakes towards the fish, they will come near enough to be photographed.
Getting your crackers. There they are. Getting all your crackers.
Maybe at the end.
Took a little while, but
The 4.8-hectare Bohol Bee Farm started as family venture when a widowed balikbayan nurse bought this plot of land and started community vegetable growing and a small bakery, catering to the needs of her friends and expat neighbors. The business grew and expanded to 232 employees, mostly women.
interesting.
Slipper shark.
Very.
We recycle the bottles and sell them as souvenir decorations. Gives you the flavors of the island.
Nice coffee shop.
Yeah.
That's good.
Oh yeah. Today, Bohol Bee Farm practices organic farming and honeybee culture and provides livelihood opportunities on site such as soap making, raffia weaving, and furniture making. The employees' children also benefit from a scholarship program. The farm also conducts trainings on how to build a similar business through its Livelihood Academy. Their products are also sold on site at the souvenir shop.
Furniture. Bee baker.
It must be, oh, this is the first birthday baker.
Yeah.
They're in there baking.
The scarecrow. Miriam's first scarecrow. Woo! Who's scarier?
Oh,
look at-
bees.
Look at these, Tata. It's made of coconut shells.
Coconut, that's what they were saying.
Coconut shells.
As a sanctuary for agricultural tourism, Bohol Bee Farm offers guests the option to check into the farm's villas and hotel rooms and enjoy the ocean and garden views. Thanks for watching! This episode concludes our Bohol Travel Series. In the next episodes, we'll be going back to our DIY campervan build.
Sending love from the Philippines.